Hi everyone, this is Saucy, the Towboat Chef. Well, I've been called out by RVRebel Girl, by Carolyn, in reference to these questions. So come back and we'll get started on them. Okay, welcome back. Now this is going to be twofold, two answers probably on some of these, because one, when I was at home, and two, now that I'm on the boat. So let's get started. First question, how many rolls of TP do you have at this moment? Well, here in my bathroom, I've got 8 rolls. At home, I've got 9. So we're doing pretty good. We're doing okay here on the boat. We got supplies. Okay. What has been the biggest change since the lockdown? Well, one, I was always a homebody anyways. I'm a little bit introvert. I like to go out hiking and stuff, so I was able to do a little bit more of that, pending the weather. Losing my job at the restaurant, but in essence I was only out for what, 3 weeks, 4 weeks? No, and then I got called to the boat. So I'm still working and I'm back out where I belong. Alright, let's go to the next question. Where are you currently parked or docked? Well, we're not docked right now because we're going up and down the river. That means I'm working. Where am I parked? I stay in Grand Rivers, and very safe there. We only have, I think, 391 population in my little small town, so we were pretty safe there. No outbreak at all. All right, next question. What have you gone without recently? I didn't really go without. I made sure that I had enough food at home, enough supplies. I didn't really go without anything. Here on the boat, well, I went without my oven for a little while. One thing about being on the boat, I get groceries every 10 to 14 days. So it's, when you come to a brand new boat with new crew and stuff, the first grocery order that I place, I have no idea what anybody likes, what they like to eat more of, and so forth. So I technically would run out, or I would be overstocked on certain things. On the way to the boat, I had asked the guys, any milk drinkers? All of them said yes. So I ordered enough milk and barely anybody touched any. So unfortunately, a lot of that expired. So that I ordered less of and more of other things for my budget. But that's the way it goes on the towboat. Alright, let's see, next question. What are you most grateful for? Being able to come back out on the river, having a job. When I say I am a homebody, what I mean is I do things a lot on my own. Yes, it got, because of the weather, I was stuck at home and the 4 walls were getting to me. So coming out to the river, I'm busy. Yes, I got this small room here, but you know what? I only spend just a little bit of time in here. Other than that, I'm in the galley. I'm creating something. I do have some more videos coming out now that I got an oven working. And I also have more tugboat and ships videos coming out too. But I mean, I'm busy all the way up to the time I go to bed. I'm exhausted at the end of each day, but it's worth it to me. So I'm grateful for still having my job out here on the river. What do you miss the most? Well, when I was at home, I missed being at work. I'm a workaholic. Like I said, sit at home and not able to really do anything because, first off, can't be around people. That really wasn't too big a deal for me. But with the weather, if the weather had been nicer, I could have gone on more hikes. I could have stepped outside more. But staying inside the four walls got to me. So when the job came up to go to the boat, you know I took it. Alright, here we go. How long has it been since you've been at a campsite? Well, I live in an RV campground, so that's nothing different for me. How long has it been since I went camping? Last one was at Lollapalooza last October. Hopefully we're going to have another one here soon, but she can't figure out which park to go to because the parks are all closed. So as soon as they're open, I'm sure she'll get some information for all of us that want to go to Lollapalooza. What is your favorite quarantine food? Well, you all know that I was on a big diet during that time. No, I'm not on it per se right now, but I am trying to watch what I eat. But my favorite thing to eat as a snack, I'll take one stalk of celery, cut it in bite size, and put a little bit of peanut butter. That was my evening snack. Okay, next question. How are you exercising, doing workouts? Well, I had a little bit of an exercise program at home. I wasn't able to do much due to the fact, again, I don't live in a wide camper. I don't have the slide outs, so I only have so much room to do certain things. Whenever weather was nice, I was outside taking a hike, walking. Here on the boat, unfortunately, they got a treadmill. It's in the engine room. And the only place you can do it is in the engine room. That loud noise, that heat, I would not be able to be on that treadmill more than 5 minutes before I'm dripping in sweat. And that's not from exercise, it's from the heat of the engines. They can't get it up anywhere else into another room, or if we try to put it in my room, they couldn't get it to the doors. So I'm not really getting any exercise. I do go up and down the stairs to do a lot of these videos up on the second deck, so there's my exercise. And plus I'm running around all over the galley from one end to the other. But so I am getting just a little bit. Alright. Next question. Who are you challenging next? Well, I gotta choose 5, but before I do, let's do the bonus question. What was or will be your pandemic panic purchase? You all know how I felt about this pandemic panic. I didn't panic. I took it for what it was. Especially when there's so many people, so many more people per one person with the COV, with this virus, dying. There's like 300 people dying of the flu. So that should be the pandemic. But who knows? I didn't let it get to me. I refused to be all panicked. Why? If it's going to happen, it's going to happen. I believe that if things happen to you for a reason, there's a reason for everything. So if it would have hit on me, it's because it happened for a reason, and there's a reason for everything. That's my outlook on life as in general. So I'm not making any pandemic panic purchase before or even now. I look at it this way. Why should I? Alright, now I gotta choose 5 people. Okay. Well, people, I'm interrupting this program here because I named 5 people. 3 of them had already been named by somebody else. So I'm redoing my list. And here it is. First person, Deb In Vegas. Second person, Insane Chef. Third person, We're the Smiths. Fourth person, Imperfect Lioness. I can't think of another person that hasn't been nominated. Everybody else I know has been nominated.
So hopefully you four can do it. If not, it's okay. I understand if you've already been called out because unfortunately, me being at work, I don't have time to watch everybody's videos to catch up with everybody. I try, but I can't. It's hard. I already work 12 hours a day. I only got about an hour and a half to watch videos, and then I got to edit my own videos too. So please forgive me, everyone. So, anyways, all right. There's the four people instead of five. I got four. All right. You all have an awesome day. Thank you for watching this channel. If you're new to my channel, yes, I'm always a screw up. It's fun to watch me. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. And then you'll get more of my screw ups, okay? And you'll have fun and you'll have a good laugh. You all have a good night. Bye-bye now.